Hey guys, so we're at this park slash, not really, but like a soccer playing thing. And we got Blizzard and Mandy with us. What you do? Guys, let's go play over here. Come on. Blizzard, come here. Blizzard. He always follows people. Go play, Mandy. Ooh, it's a stick. It's a stick. Look. Look. No, you don't chase sticks? Do you? No, but you chase children. Blizzard, come here, boy. Mandy, Mandy. Oh my gosh, they're so cute out here playing together. They've never been to the park. A butterfly. He's always chasing his tail. Come on, guys. Down, girl. Blizzard, come here. They just bumped into each other, legit. My mom's over there. Be careful, don't run. Don't run. I'm gonna feed them right now. Because I haven't fed them in a little bit. So I'm about to get the food out of the car. They just stopped and got some food. Mandy wants the bowl. Alright, let's get the food out. They're probably gonna sit around and we'll do stuff. They're gonna surround us when we get this out of the bag.
I'll beat up my monster and be really angry.
You probably already smell it.
Hurry up, bro.
Look, Blizzard's chasing a grasshopper. Look, it's there. It's there.
I don't like that name, Mandy.
Blackie is not a better name than Mandy.
Blackie.
Look, over there.
Mandy. Happy.
Look, she's going wild. Here, give me some. I'm gonna go give it to Blizzard.
Well, you gotta have more than a handful.
I know, but if he smells it, he'll come over here. Look. Look, the food's over here. Come here, boy.
Get up the stairs, Gabriel.
Are you recording?
They need to eat separately, Rosa.
What are you doing? You're gonna fall. Good thing you got a diaper for protection.
We'll probably have to get another bag. They're probably gonna have stuff.
Hold up, get up. Let me see the back of it. Wait. Come here. You unbutton one of them. It's broke. Oh my gosh.
Don't play on the stairs, Gabriel. Rosie, what are you gonna play on the stairs? Why don't you go play, or else? He's gonna fall. Oh my God, Rosa, get him, please. I told you. By yourself.
We probably need to get another bag of that. They're probably gonna eat the whole bag right now. But let me get the chips that my mom left in the car. Oh wait, I thought they were in the same bag, but I guess they're in a different bag. This one, why she left them in the car. So we're hungry. Dogs are hungry. The humans are hungry. Yeah. They've never been like to a park, to a big old play area before. So, you know, first time for everything. So when the dogs get done eating, guys, they're gonna go play over in this big old field area. Yeah. We could play over there, but there's like trash beer bottles everywhere. So we're just gonna play. Oh my God, there's a person playing soccer.
Move it, I'm trying to take a pic.
People playing soccer. See that jersey? Oh gosh, we can't. Okay. Blizzard is going somewhere. Blizzard! Come here, boy! So I brought a shoelace, not a leash, because he chewed up all his fucking leashes. Sorry for my words. Gabriel, get back over there to Mom. Come on, boy! See, now I gotta put this on him. I'm going back over there. He's good on leash. Blizzard, get over here! Hold on, guys. I'll see you guys when I capture Blizzard. Actually, you know what? He's staying still. Alright. Gosh. We were going to play over here anyways. Just wait. You got to go to the bathroom? Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Yeah. I got him. Got him. Mandy, no. No. Oh, gosh. They always scare me when I have strings. But yeah, pretty much. No, but Mandy, we're gonna eat some chips. Want some chips? What was you doing over there? And guys, I got a cherry Dr. Pepper. I've never actually had cherry Dr. Pepper. I just like cherry and Dr. Pepper.
You want to make a smash video of us playing?
After I make my vlog.
Hello, everyone. Randy, no. Logan.
No, that's Alex right there.
I'm Logan.
Guys, you know I have a cousin named Logan?
Yes.
Logan Yaney.
Yes. Piano.
I don't know if that's in see me or not. But I'll sit right here.
Hey, no, the red ones. The red ones.
This soda's good.
Give him the red chips, Mom.
Hey, Mandy. Are you thirsty, girl? I have water, but I don't have a bowl. What'd you do? Why don't you drink it out of the bottle? Go, Mandy. Go play. Go play, Mandy. Where is Blizzard, though? Hold on, guys. Apparently, Blizzard went up this way. He scared the freaks out of me. Be careful, don't fall down the hill. Go, Blizzard, go! Hey. 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 I thought somebody took him off in their car. Hey. I looked around and I was like, where'd he go? Where'd he go? But yeah. Don't jump, Blizzard. Hey, boy, come here. Okay, yeah. Don't jump you either, man. No jumping. Look at her toes.
What? My baby. It's okay.
Ah, go get it.
Come on, that's it. Come on, where's Mandy? I don't even think that's Oogie as a name. Ruby! I can't hurt you.
It took Blizzard forever to figure out how to walk downstairs, but he finally figured it out. Mandy, no!
He's just sliding and dancing.
Oh, no matter where he goes. I know you like him, but back up.
He's not going to hurt you.
Mm-mm.
It ain't even bothering you. I don't care about you.
Alright, guys.
Play.
I'm about to go play with him. I'm gonna take a drink. I'll see you guys in a second. Oh, I should have got that recorded. He jumped off. Yeah, he jumped off that. I should have recorded that. He like leaped down. It scared me. I thought he was gonna hit his face. Blizzard, let's go play. Mandy, come on, girl. Can you guys chase me? You guys wanna chase me? So guys, they shattered the table, glass table everywhere. Come on, Blizzard. Chase me, Blizzard. Come on, Blizzard. Oh shit. Blizzard, come here, boy! Looking for somewhere to P-O-P-P. P-O-P-P. Blizzard, come on, boy! Blizzard! Blizzard, come on, boy! Come on, Blizzard! Come on, boy! Blizzard! You always have to go with other people. Blizzard, come here! I'm out of breath. Blizzard! Hold on. I tried to take a picture again. Go follow Blizzard on Instagram. I am Blizzard04. Yeah, let's go. Mandy, go! He's scared of Mandy, guys. Blizzard's by my side, a guard dog. If you guys don't remember, he was a Great Pyrenees and a Border Collie mix. Here! Hold on, guys. Oh, they jumped over that! Oh my gosh, how?
I'm not gonna hurt you, Alex.
Come here, Blizzard. They both jumped off that, and I'm never recording it, guys. I'm gonna put them on top of there. Next shot, you'll see them right here. Somehow, magically, Nevada got up there too. But what's up, my man? Don't be scared. Come on, wait. Let's do our thing. I can't reach you, but Blizzard, Mandy, come here! I want you guys to see them jump off this thing. Like, look how fucking tall this thing is. Here, go, put it back. Mandy, come here, go! What are you doing? Mandy, come here! Talk shit. Oh my God. She just crawled down that freaking ramp, Mom. He did. Hey, Mom, is there like a bowl or anything? Is there like a Blizzard? Show the viewers how you can jump off this wall. No? Okay. Blizzard, come here! Okay, yeah, once again, guys, go check out Blizzard's Instagram. I am Blizzard04. There's no underscores, no spaces. Why am I opening the back? I cleared this whole back out just so we could bring the dogs to the park. Man, Blizzard, come here, boy! Come here! Can I take a picture for your Instagram? Blizzard, sit. Blizzard. Blizzard, sit. Look, he always shakes, no matter what. You scared me. Did you jump off the wall and I didn't get to record it again? Let's get the bowl. I need a bowl. Because it's so thirsty. I hope that was a good pick. I forgot you can't open this door. How do you literally have like nothing in your car to put water in for your dogs? Like, I have nothing in there. What are these crazy children doing? I know. So guys, here's the thing. We were gonna get rid of Mandy because 1 dog is enough, but 2 dogs is just a lot. And so yeah, we were gonna sell Mandy, but now I don't want to sell her, so I gotta like show my mom that I can take care of 2 dogs. So yeah. Hey Mom, did I tell you I made an Instagram for Blizzard? Go follow him at I am Blizzard04. And yeah, basically I can't really look at this. Yeah. Look at this. Blizzard pooped up there. Blizzard, can I get a pic? No? Okay. Blizzard, look, every time you tell Blizzard to sit, Blizzard, sit.
What?
Look.
Be careful.
Yeah, let's see what he does with the water bottle. Guys, look at the sidewalk when you don't have a bowl to put water in for your dog. I legit got water all over them.
I thought Ross would give me good enough.
Blizzard, sit. Hey, Blizzard, sit. Blizzard, shake. Blizzard. He's standing up, so he's not. Blizzard, shake. Come on, shake. Oh
Be
my
careful,
gosh.
guys.
Oh my Blizzy. Oh no, no, you don't want a hug. Shake. Hey Blizzard, let me take a picture for Instagram.
Mandy!
So guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. Like and subscribe. Comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Say bye. No? No? Okay guys, so yeah, peace out guys.